25 to go here in overtime. D'Agostino flips that one towards the goal. Unruh leaves it there. Delaney delays him behind his own goal, leaves it for Lovey. Lovey with a great move. Lovey coming up the ice. Voodoos on a line change. Lovey cutting around. There's a shot. He scores! Finishes it off in double overtime, and the Cochrane Crunch take out the Voodoos by a score of 5-4. What a game here in the Igloo! And it is Captain Crunch pouring a bowl of victory. Put some sugar on that one. Final shots on goal, 40-36, and Connor Lovey skating up the ice down the right wing side, catching the Voodoos on a line change, finishes it here in overtime. Again, the final 5-4 in double overtime. The Voodoos will play in Timmins tomorrow afternoon at 3 p.m. A quick turnaround for them. And the Crunch have some time to savor this one as they don't play again until December 1st at 7:30 when they host the Sioux Eagles.